Hi students, it's Mrs. Nice again. So I'm going to show you in this video quickly how to save a Google document, or you could really do this for a Microsoft Word document even, how to save it as a PDF. So Google Docs and Microsoft Word are notorious for you work on something really hard and then you go and work on it on a different computer and the formatting's different. Like maybe the font's different or the page breaks are all messed up or the spacing's messed up. And it could be super frustrating, especially with a project like the companion book where you really need the formatting to be perfect and for each chapter to start on a new page. So what you could do is if you format your book at school and then you're going to go home and print it from your home computer, you're going to want to save your whole companion book as a PDF so that it freezes the formatting. So it's important to know anything you ever want to it's really important for the formatting to be exactly the same as the way you see it. You want to save it as a PDF. So like one day when you're older, if you have to submit a resume or a cover letter for a potential job you want, don't send it as a Word document or a Google Doc. Save it as a PDF and then send it because that freezes the formatting so it looks perfect. Okay, so the way to do this, super simple. When you have your document, check that it looks the way you want it to look. Once you save it as a PDF, you can't edit the PDF. You can, of course, always come back and edit your original Google Doc and then resave it as a PDF, but that's annoying to do a million times. So don't save it as a PDF until you've totally reviewed everything and it's perfect and you're ready for it to be like, yep, this is exactly how I want it. It's a super simple step. All you do is you click File, and then you click Download As, and then you choose PDF document. And it will download the document as a PDF document and it'll save it wherever you save downloads. So you can see I have it pop up here. It also gets saved in my download folder down here on the taskbar, which you can't see, but you can see the little speech bubble saying downloads down there. So it'll just save your document wherever you have things that are downloaded saved. So that's it. It's gonna save it on the actual computer you're working on. You're going to want to email that document to yourself or upload it to Google Drive, or ideally, if it's for one of your classes, upload your PDF to the assignment on Google Classroom. So it's hard for me to show that part to you guys because I don't have a student account. So the best I could do is, you guys know when you're in an assignment on Google Classroom, how you could either click to create a document or to add a document. In this circumstance, you would click add, and then this is the closest version that I could get. You would click to add. You don't want to add a Drive document because it's not in your Drive, it's on your actual computer. You want to add an attachment right here. It's the one that looks like a paperclip. And then you could either drag the file in from your downloads folder, or you could select files from your device. And so if I look in my downloads folder, I could see where it would be saved. The other thing that you could do is, in addition to looking for it in your downloads folder, you could also go to the recents and look for it in your recents. So what I'm going to do, I just like dragging and dropping things, is I'll drag and drop it, and then you'll say, yes, you do want to upload it. It'll upload it, and then you'll see that it's attached to there, and then you'll save it, and there it is. You could access it from home. Hopefully this video helped you figure out how to save a PDF. Good luck!